Hello everybody and welcome to a Logical Mongoose gaming video. Just wanted to give a brief little introduction into 2025 setup for a storage expansion card for Xbox Series S and X. I currently have the Xbox Series S and wanted to expand the storage a bit, and recently picked it up over the holiday season, and I've never owned an Xbox Series S before and figured this might be a helpful video for anyone else. Do a little unboxing here of this 1TB expansion card and show the install process. So let's open up the packaging here. So it looks like we have the card itself as well as the cover for it, and the manual underneath that. As you can see here, we have my Xbox Series S game screen, recently updated. And here we have the Xbox Series S itself. So I'll take the card here, go around to the back of the machine, and I can't quite tell if it only goes in one way or not. I'm going to guess because the writing is on here, this might be facing down like this, and the Western Digital logo facing up, since this is the top here. So let's try it that way. Alright, and then just like that, looks like the screen's now kicked up. And looks like we'll opt for this drive will stay attached to this console. So using the controller here, might be just as simple as that. We'll go into settings, and then from settings over to system and over to storage devices here. And yep, there it is. 919.9 gigs free. View contents, move or copy, uninstall, change how it's configured, rename, format, or set as capture location. So just like that, looks like it's good to go as soon as you plop it in. So once again, on the back of the Xbox Series S here, it looks like it installs with the Western Digital black label facing up towards the top of the case here, and the other etching information on the back is the downside. And pretty simple and straightforward to plug in. Hope this video has been helpful for everybody, and I hope you have a happy and healthy 2025.